Hi, second graders. Not only is it I Think I Can Thursday, it's also Bean Thursday. So today is a day that you will be able to dissect your lima bean. So hopefully, yesterday I put some instructions in that you were supposed to put your lima bean, that's in your materials packet. It was sitting in your clay pot, I believe. You were supposed to put your lima bean in a glass of water and let it sit there overnight. So now you can take out your lima bean, okay? Hopefully you watched the video before this video, but you can take your lima bean and you can be surgeons and dissect the lima bean. Okay, so mine, I haven't soaked it yet, but yours should be soaked, and I didn't want to open it in front of you because I wanted you to be able to do it on your own. Okay, so what you're going to do, just like the video showed you to do, you are going to carefully peel apart the seed coat. Okay, maybe ask a parent to help you if they're available. Otherwise, wait for them to be available. Carefully peel the seed coat, and then you can look at the inside of the bean. Okay, so once you dissect your bean, I want you to leave it. Okay, the food inside the bean, what was that called again? The food in the bean is called the cotyledon. Okay, so you can carefully pick at the bean's food to see how you can kind of take it out of the seed coat. Okay, so carefully pick at the food that is inside your bean. But when you are done dissecting your bean, you are going to take the bean book. Each of you have 3 sheets of paper with the bean book. Okay, you're going to cut out all these dotted lines here. Okay, so anywhere you see that dotted line, you will cut all these little sheets out, and you will cut out your seed coat on the black line. Okay, this line right here means that you're going to fold right there. So just worry about cutting out around the black line, bolded line. Okay, the yellow sheet is your seed coat. And then this is your seed leaves. So this will go inside your seed coat. So cut around the bolded black line on here too. Okay, so pause this video. I'm going to cut mine, but you cut yours at the same time. Okay? Okay, so I just cut mine out. Here's my seed coat. This is what yours should look like. Now, in the middle, there was dotted lines, so that meant that you need to fold right in the middle so that it looks like a bean. And then you open it up and it goes like this. Okay, this is your seed coat. And then you'll want to take the inside, which is your bean's food. Okay, and you're going to put it in the middle like this. And then you can staple this, do like one staple here, and then it's like a book. Okay, so if you put one staple here, it'll stay together, and then it's like your own bean book. Now, with these right here, the text, you'll cut all these out on the dotted line. If you notice right here, and right here, these numbers down here, those are instructions of how to put your book together. Okay, so right here it says, place bean book text in the following order. 1, front cover. So I'm holding 1 right now. See how there's a 1 right there in the corner? You will put this one on the front cover like this. Okay? And then the next sheet of paper that says 2, you will put it on the inside cover of the seed coat. Okay, 3 goes here. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, once you have all of these glued down in your bean book, Okay, I want you to go back and read your bean book, all the hard work you did to put it together. I want you to go back and read the bean book, but I encourage you to find a family member that's available or sibling. This would be a great time to read with someone, read with a sibling at home, and read your bean book out loud. Now that you've dissected a bean and you've watched a video about a bean, I want you to read your bean book out loud to someone at home.